2. A.
k, k, k.
B. 2. B.
Car, cat, careful, clean, clothes, colour, fækt, keep, key, kaɪnd, kitchen, desk, laɪk, tɔːk, wɔːk, back, blæk, check, pocket, tick, skuːl, stomach, chemist, ʻAːkɪtɛkt.
B. 2. C.
Quick, quiet, quarter.
B. 2. D.
Fæks, six, taxi.
B. 2. E. 1.
Look in the kitchen cupboard.
2.
Keep your keys in your pocket.
B. 3. A.
G, g, g.
B. 3. B.
K, g, k, g, k, g.
B. 3. C.
Garden, girl, glass, go, gold, ago, hungry, bag, leg, egg, bigger.
B. 3. D.
Exam, exactly.
B. 3. E.
Guess, guest, dialogue.
B. 3. F. 1.
Can you guess the beginning of the dialogue?
2.
Are you going jogging again?
B. 3. G. 1.
I like the film. The acting was perfect.
2.
Do you like folk music?
3.
It was a dark night.
4.
What's your dog called?